Running a business in the UK in 2025? Here's a complete beginner's guide to using Xero accounting. Head to Xero.com and create your account. You can choose your business type and location, then set your financial year and VAT settings. Next, connect your UK bank account. This lets Xero automatically import transactions for easy reconciliation. You can also go to Contacts, Staff to add customers or suppliers. To send an invoice, you go to Business, Invoices, and New Invoice. You can also add your customers, items, VAT, and due date. If you're VAT registered, Xero makes it easy to submit MTT-compliant VAT returns to HMRC. You can just go to Accounting, VAT return, and you can just file it online. If you want any financial reports, you just go to Accounting, and you can see here reports to view profit and loss, balance sheet, age receivables, and more. And that's your 2025 crash course on Xero UK. You can like and subscribe for advanced Xero tips, payroll, and budgeting features.